Hey, this is Motell Granite the Great. Thanking God once again for this breathing. Um, check out my channel. Thank you. Subscribe, Cold Crown, KOLDKROWN, or either Motell Granite, MOTELLGRANITE. Um, um, Sex is better than believing in somebody else. Um, I'm not hoping and wishing for anything, but the sensation for those who have not experienced it before, and I'm not telling you to rush to do it, but the sensation is better than just rushing and trusting somebody. You should crack your own smile, and wear your smile regardless to if somebody say your teeth are messed up or somebody takes a shot at you, your finances, your living quarters, your transportation, your employment. Don't trust them anyway. Maybe you should go through your phone this weekend if you don't have anything else to do, or throughout the week, usually around 5 and 6. Most people don't have anything to do. Go on your phone, thumb through, and just delete people. According to a mockingbird that I know, people don't call or check on folks anyway. I don't even want to call this evil. I just want to call this people. And that's why you can't trust them. Um, if you gain any kind of fame or fortune, unfortunately, the turtles that have been in their shells will come out. And now they're capable of winning the race against the hare, um, and doing something miraculous when you didn't think they could do such a thing. So trusting people it's a very bad idea. So I just got a lot of respect for y'all. I love y'all for sure. Much respect.